Richard. Sorry.
No, you're alright, man. Whatever. Didn't call me anything.
How you do anything?
Normally respond to most things, it'll be alright. So this song's called Bird. It's actually probably the oldest song that's, definitely the oldest song that's gone on the EP. It's quite a few years old, this one, but keep coming back to it, and on the recording it's going to have Dave Rees on it as well, but play it by myself today. Hope you like it. Sitting on the perch, she leans to me, leaving all the seats she wants to leave. The bird goes flying by my window, flying by my window pane. She's singing all the songs she wants to sing. Looking in her eyes, I know just what she means. She goes flying by my window, flying by my window pane. And I can't work out just why I want to fly away with her. No, I can't work out just why I want to fly away with her. She's telling tales of gliding in the sky, painting valleys and mountains high. She goes flying by my window, flying by my window pane. And I can't work out just why I want to fly away with her. No, I can't work out just why I want to fly away with her. Winds upon the wind, her freedom breeze, nestling homes just where she please. She goes flying by my window, flying by my window pane. She goes flying by my window, flying by my window pane. She goes flying by my window, the bird goes flying by my window pane.